Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with Chrome already open and a specific tab you want to inspect. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or CMD plus Option plus I on Mac to open Developer Tools immediately. This is faster than menus. If shortcuts are disabled, click the three-dot menu, choose More Tools, then Developer Tools. Once done, dock the panel to the side or bottom using the dock icon, so you keep page context while viewing console messages and elements. Now that Developer Tools is open, click the Console tab to view errors, warnings, and to run JavaScript commands. You can type commands at the prompt, press Enter to run or Shift plus Enter for a new line. Make sure to use elements to inspect and modify HTML or CSS in real time, then switch to network when you need request timing or resource statuses. Once you've run an expression, use the filter box to narrow messages and the clear button to finish your session. Press ESC to hide the console drawer or click the close X to exit Developer Tools. Your browser state remains. If you need to reload and retain logs, check the Preserve Log checkbox in the console or network tabs so messages persist across reloads. If Developer Tools is unresponsive or missing panels, open Settings, Gear icon, and restore defaults. Make sure extensions aren't interfering, then restart Chrome to apply fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.